everyone, it's Stephanie here from Hickory Croft Farm, and today we're going to be making Blackberry Liqueur.
And I'm her helper.
And this is?
Alex.
Alex. And no, she's not going to be consuming the liqueur, are you, girl?
Nope.
But she is an excellent helper and loves to measure and pour and all sorts of good stuff.
Yep.
So, today we've gone and we've picked approximately 6 cups of blackberries. I don't know if anybody else is having the amazing blackberry year that we are, but we've got about 30 cups in the freezer, and that's for jellies and smoothies and all that sort of stuff. And we figured liqueur was next on the list. So we figured we'd share it with you because it is so simple and easy and quick and delicious. We've got 1 liter, which would be using 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of vodka with the fruit. The pint, obviously a half liter, half cup sugar, half cup vodka. So, what do you say, helpers? Shall we start mixing it up? Let's get started.
Okie dokie.
Okie dokie. So first, Alex.
We put in about that much berries.
Yeah, about half. Almost half of those berries. Get them in there. Just give it a good shake. Oh. There we go. I told you she was a good helper.
Probably a little bit more than that.
Yeah, give it. There. Whoa, that looks pretty good.
Maybe a little bit.
There you go.
Ooh, that's a little too much, but
That's all right. It's forgiving. No other sugar. 1 cup for this one.
1 cup of sugar.
1 cup of sugar. And then do you want to get the other one to the same point?
Okay, and then we're going to take this one and do the exact same thing, except for with smaller containers.
That is right. So we've got half the berries basically going into the container, right?
Drop that one in.
We put in half berries. Now, when it comes to sugar, we're just regular white granulated sugar. For vodka, we just use our cheap and cheerful. There is no real rules on that. I measure off 1 cup, but it is recommended to have a little bit extra just to top up the jars at the end if you need to. Do you want to sit there? Okay. There we go. My holder is going to hold super steady. Stop. Am I there?
Yep.
Okay, carefully. There we go.
But I need to use the half.
That's correct. The half cup. That's
We're making
important.
a half.
That's right. We're making a half recipe. Get it up nice and straight. There we go. And we pour that in. So let's pour the rest in as much as you can, and then we'll show them how it's going to kind of, there, perfect. All right, so now Alex is going to just stab those down. We can take this right off here. Stab them down, kind of right down in there. Now this is where we probably should have had a bit more berries. But we're just going to add more vodka.
Yep. It'll be a very adult drink.
Very adult indeed.
No
All
teenagers.
Right. Okay, let's top her up.
Oh, sweet.
So, here we go. And we want to get that up over top of the berries, basically is what you're trying to do. There we are.
Oh, gotta push
And the
that
same on
area.
that guy.
As you can see, the lids are pretty tight on. You have to make sure that they are on very well because they will stain your clothes. So try not to wear white doing this.
As I'm wearing white. So basically, lids go on tight. You got her filled up with vodka. You can see here, I'm just going to hold it in. You're going to have a layer of your sugar kind of in there because it hasn't dissolved into the vodka yet. But basically, we're just going to kind of shake it a few times, toss it up and down. I'm just looking at this one. I need to add more vodka to it, so give me 1 second. It's not full enough. It needs to be up over the
Berries.
Yeah. This is going to be a real strong one. Real strong.
No teenagers.
We didn't quite pick enough berries. But you want to keep it on its side. And basically for 14 days, you're going to turn it one turn. And that just keeps the berries submerged and keeps it...
mixed.
Yeah, it helps mix in that sugar and eventually it all dissolves. Now you can leave it for more than 14 days, but basically after 14 days she's ready to drink. It just gets stronger as you age it. So here we have, you can hold it up for us, Alex. Here we have our rhubarb liqueur from this year, and it's just about ready to be strained out and put into bottles. Again, same recipe. You've got 1 cup vodka, 1 cup sugar. Cram in the rhubarb as thick as hard as you can, and fill up the rest with vodka. So it's very nice, quite tart, but we enjoy that one. And then what's your other one you got?
And this is our crabapple one that Mom made.
It's crabapple liqueur. This is actually from last year's stock.
Last year it is ready for us to drink, and we can drink it anytime.
Ready for
Not
us?
me. Mom and Chris, but
Yeah, this is ready to consume. This is 1 year, and it's only been stored in the dark cupboard. It keeps well. Again, I still say the same thing. Make sure you've strained it well. With the berry liqueur, we found this with strawberry as well as the blackberry, is you need to at least double cheesecloth this when you strain it. You want to get as much pulp out as possible because berry fruit seems to go very pulpy compared to the rhubarb and the apple. And if you don't get all the pulp out, this will go bad in the cupboard. So if you're at all nervous, I would suggest refrigerating it, but in the fridge this will keep for months. We did have to refrigerate a strawberry, and we also tried peach, same thing. We did have to refrigerate it, it just had a little too much pulp. But this year we are attempting to do with a bit better straining method, and hopefully it will keep well. Anyways, that's it from Steph and Alex at Hickory Croft Farm. Hope you enjoy your blackberry liqueur, and we'll see you next time. On to the next thing. Bye.
bye.